In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your oil life reminder in your Subaru Forester. It's located inside your vehicle. Alright, so now we're in the vehicle where it's ready to reset the oil life reminder. So we're going to go and look for our button on the steering column that says I/set. We're going to pull that back towards us and hold it there until you see date, display, screen setting, maintenance. You're going to go down with your arrow, which is below the I set button on the steering column, till you get to maintenance. You're going to hit I set. You see the engine oil. You hit I set. Here we are going to change the month to July. So we use our arrow keys to get to 7. Hit I set. Now we're going to move over to the year, and that we are going to use the arrow keys as well. After you hit I set, I'm going to go up 1 because it is going to be 2025 when the oil change happens. And our mileage is fine at 7,000 miles. So we are just going to navigate to set. And then we are going to hit I set to set it, and it says setting complete. And now for our oil filter, we are going to go down to oil filter. You're going to hit I set, and you're going to do the same as you did with the oil change. So we are going to hit that. We're going to bring it to 7 for July. We're going to hit set. We are going to navigate over to the day. We're going to say 20. We're going to hit set. We're going to navigate over to 2025. We're going to hit set, navigate over, and do 7,000 miles. Hit I set first, and then go up to 7,000 miles. Set, arrow down to set, and I set. And now that's complete. And now you have reset your oil life indicator.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.